Hi guys, welcome back to another training video brought to you by Ollie. So in this training video, I am going to teach you how to invite a team member. So what we're going to do first is definitely we have to log in. Then once we're already on the dashboard, we just have to click this on the menu bar, manage firm client. So what we're going to do is click this invite team member and enter the name Santos and email address support plus 99. So the role, I'm going to discuss to you the different authority or permissions. So the admin has the same role as the owner of the company, so can oversee almost everything that is happening within the firm. And for the partner, only whatever only is assigned to him. The manager has the power to also same as the partner, but the thing is you can delete or retrieve a task or anything on the website. And for the staff, only that is assigned to him. He or she cannot delete or retrieve anything, maybe a task or a file. And for the contractor, same as the partner, only whatever is assigned to him. So in this case, let's just put Jimmy Santos as a staff member. Then Jimmy Santos will receive an email that's going to look like this. So the team member will receive an email titled invitation to join the test company or the name of the firm, and then will be supported with an email address, the one we put, and then this is a temporary password that needs to be changed after logging in. So let's try to use this. Go click login here, then let's try what's the email address again? Support plus 99.com, and then let's just copy this, copy and paste. There you go. And we suggest you change the password once a team member is able to log in to the platform. So that is it. If you have any other question, again, feel free to email us at support@ollie.com.ph and let us know what are your thoughts. Thank you, and hope to see you guys again on the next training video.